Come with me, let's make some chicken seasoning together. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making chicken seasoning. Okay, so these are all the veggies that I will be needing on this recipe. I've already washed everything thoroughly. Okay, so now I'm using my Odogu machine, sliced into smaller size. Okay, so keep watching.
It's just a prayer away. 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 It's just a prayer.
So this one now, I will put this one inside my oven. Okay.
Il est tout puissant à tous les jours. Il est tout puissant chaque matin. Il est tout puissant, je veux lever chaque bien. Il est tout puissant parce qu'il est mon.
Now this is the chicken we'll be needing on this recipe. I've already washed it very well. Okay, so now we are going to cut it into small size. Now I add a little pinch of salt and paprika powder. We mixed everything together.
It's just a prayer. It's just a prayer.
After that, I put everything in my dehydrator for 12 hours. Okay, so this one is the one I put in my oven. I slept off, guys, and it got burnt a little, but we can still manage it, guys. So I'm sorry for that because I did this at night, so I slept off. I forgot to check it. So now everything is dried off and we are mixing everything together. This is the carrots, onions, and everything, all the veggies you saw in the beginning.
Yes, he cares. Yes, he knows. So cast all your cares on him. Yes, he cares. Yes, he knows. So cast all your cares on him. Yes, he cares. Yes, he knows.
So I put this chicken in my oven, and this is the other one I put inside my dehydrator. Okay, look at it, it's very dried almost. So we are going to start blending everything together. So my people, if you know say don't watch this video, you share, you never like, you never follow, you never share, you never even leave comments. Kilo day, what is going on? What soon? Oh yeah, now follow this page. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my amazing followers, I say may God bless you all. As soon as today follow, as soon as today support una girl. So let's keep watching. Now this is the chicken. We are still blending it again.
Dance, dance.
Now these are the veggies. We are going to blend everything together at once.
The source of your life. Ale, 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 ale. He's the very breath you take and the source of your life. Oh, yeah.
So we are going to mix everything together with the chicken.
He's the very breath you take and the source of your life. Oh, yeah.
So I added garlic powder. This is turmeric and ginger powder, and I added salt. So we mix everything together. This one is organic, no chemical, nothing, and I added a pinch of brown sugar. Okay, So we are going to blend everything again, so it will be smoother. You understand? You know what I mean? This is organic, original seasoning powder. If you test it, if you use that to make any food, then the aroma alone, just imagine all these veggies for inside one food. If you try it, you will understand what I'm talking about.
It's just a prayer away. It's just a prayer away. Il est tout puissant à tous les jours. Il est tout puissant chaque matin. Il est tout puissant, je veux lever chaque avion. Il est tout puissant parce qu'il aime beaucoup. He raised me. His name is.
Look at it, my people. Our seasoning powder is redeemable. Chicken seasoning powder is redeemable. I beg una follow this page for more updates, for more recipes. Look at it now. Please, if you like what you watch, give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video now. Bye.